Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Spotify account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. On your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click there and type in spotify.com like this, or simply open up Google and type in Spotify login like this and hit enter. Either ways, you will be landing on the same page. You can see the account, the spotify.com. This is the direct landing page, or the direct sign in, or this is the direct login page of the Spotify. But in order to get to the login page from the homepage of Spotify, you will need to click on the login option available over here on the top right corner of your screen. And if you have not yet signed up for Spotify, just simply click on the sign up option and you'll be taken to the create an account process of Spotify procedure. And now to log into your Spotify, just click the here. And now these both are the same pages. Let's close one of these. And now to log into your Spotify account, simply enter your email address or your username over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on login. Or if you have forgotten your password, just simply click on forgot your password to reset the password. Now you can also log into Spotify with Facebook, Apple or Google. Let's, for the video's purpose, let's go with the Facebook. After clicking on Facebook, you can see the login page for Facebook by Spotify will open. Let's log into Spotify. Continue with Facebook. And we have successfully logged into the Spotify with our Facebook account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Spotify with your Facebook or your Gmail or your Apple account. By the way, you will need to enter your password when you are going to log into Spotify with your Google or Apple or Facebook account. Since my account was already authenticated to Spotify, it didn't ask for the password. And there guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.